Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video of an unboxing and setup of the Smallrig cage. This is the cage that you would use with a GoPro Hero 10 or GoPro Hero 9. It'll work with both of those generations. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what's inside. Okay, so it looks like we have an Allen wrench. It's a pretty small one too. Pretty small. So go ahead and toss that over there. And this here is the cage. It says Smallrig right there in the front. Let me go ahead and flip it around so you can see it. And it looks like this is the top of the cage here. And you got a cold shoe mount here, quarter thread right there. And flip it to the side. We got two more quarter threads. Got an opening here. At the bottom, you have these little feet. This is so you can attach this to any GoPro attachment, like a chest mount to a bike or whatnot. And right here in the middle, you got another quarter thread. That's cool. You can mount this to a tripod. Awesome. On the side here, you got two more quarter threads. You got a cold shoe mount again. Got a little opening right there. So I'm assuming this opens right. Yeah, it opens right here. This is the side door. So you open this up right here. This gives you access to your battery. Gives you access to the your SD card. So if you need to change the SD card with the cage on, you can do that. You can change your battery as well. And on here, right here at the door, you got this little rubbery pad right here that basically holds the battery in place when you shut the door. And let's go ahead and open up this front piece right here. This opens right up. Actually, this is not the front piece. This is the back piece because your screen is going to be right here. So let's go ahead and get the GoPro in here and see what this thing looks like. So go ahead and open up the side door again and go ahead and position it like that. Let me go ahead and grab the GoPro. So first thing with the GoPro, we're gonna have to take this side door off right here. So let's go ahead and snap that off. That to the side. So basically this is the top of the GoPro here. This is the top of the cage. So we're gonna put it in this way. Go ahead and slide that in. That went in really good. Let's put this door on. Snaps right into place. We'll go ahead and close the side door. And there you go. You got access to the USB-C right there. And got access to that button right here on the side of the GoPro. Also the one on the top. So yeah, this thing is premium. This thing feels really nice. I like this. Let me go ahead and set that down so you guys can take a look. So right here you can see the blue GoPro on the GoPro. It says Smallrig. And yeah, this thing is awesome, man. I like this. And this will also protect your screen on the back of the GoPro because this thing is kind of raised up all the way around. So basically when you set this down, it doesn't even touch your screen. It's not on the surface or anything. You can move it around. It won't even scratch your screen. Protects it. Also protects the front screen as well because it's actually kind of high around the sides. The only thing it doesn't protect is your the lens. But yeah, this thing is awesome. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed though because for $10 more I could have got the extra attachment that goes on the side of the GoPro, which you mount this thing on right here. This is actually your mic adapter, which mounts like that, USB-C, and then there's like a something that comes with the GoPro that you actually mount it here to the side or something like that, so you have access to your, you know, your jacks right there, so you can put an external mic. But yeah, that's okay, I'll figure it out. But I've been trying to find and see if they sold it separately, but I can't find it anywhere. So I don't know, I might have to buy another cage, guys, and spend the extra $10 and to get that one piece that holds this in place, because I don't want this thing dangling on the side of the GoPro. That looks kind of tacky. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. If you guys found this review helpful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment. If you have any questions about the cage, feel free to leave a message on the video, and I'll be sure to get back to you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, this is really high quality. I really like this cage. This is awesome, and the GoPro looks awesome inside of the cage as well. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.